Okay, this one was quite a complicated way of cheating, but during an esports tournament of Formula E, one of the players decided to cheat in a strange way by hiring someone to drive for him. This was quite obvious by the fact he managed to place third after in the last races being in the ninth place, and well also his face wasn't showing due to a monitor covering it. Plus, to make things worse, in the top 3 winners interview after the race, he didn't show up because according to him he was having connectivity issues. The consequences of this was a €10,000 fine and was suspended by Audi. A funny dive that was performed by famous soccer player Neymar was one in which he actually managed to fool the referee, costing the opponent a yellow card. In an ultra marathon, which is a 56-mile run, the top 10 people to finish the race were going to get a nice cash prize. And well, in an interesting turn of events, it was found out that the 9th place winner Sergio didn't actually run the whole race. So how did he do it? He and his twin brother plotted a plan in which they switched places several times during the race. One of the pieces of evidence that helped prove this allegation was that the brothers, every time they switched, the electronic watch for the race switched places too. When a soccer match is getting close to the end, it is normal for the winning soccer team to kind of waste time to avoid making any mistake that leads to a goal from the opposite team. And well, this goalkeeper took it to an extreme by secretly untying his shoe. After a flop, NBA player Lance Stevenson decided to just play dead, which was actually pretty funny to watch. During a big League of Legends event, one of the players was caught glancing at the audience screen, which gave his team an advantage because it showed where the opposite team is. And even though it doesn't seem much, there was millions of dollars on the line, and the player was fined $30,000 for that glance. Okay, this is perhaps one of the craziest cheating stories in sports, but a figure skater named Nancy Kerrigan was attacked by a random man who used to baton to injure her leg. Later, it was found out that the attack was orchestrated by the husband of her figure skating teammate Tanya Harding. According to Tanya, she didn't have anything to do with the planning of the attack, but still, all things considered, it was very suspicious. And well, when they were found guilty, Tanya was fined $100,000, given 3 years probation and 500 hours of community service. When an umpire at a baseball match saw a weird substance on baseball player Will Smith's arm, they immediately stopped the game and checked what it was. It turned out to be a combination of sunscreen and rosin, which implies used the sticky substance for a better grip. When interviewed after, Will Smith claimed he just had it on before the match and forgot to wipe it, which seemed quite suspicious to say the least. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.